guys, Mimi here. Welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA, but you know what? I mean, what can I say? I don't always have a whole lot of time, although I'm super excited because I've recently done some speaking engagements as part of a collaboration I've been doing with YouTube. And so it's really inspired me to take a little bit more time and carve out actual YouTube content creating time in my schedule, which is really hard simply because the business part of running my multiple businesses gets really hectic, and I'm at the tail end of finishing my book, so there's a lot of manuscript edits and photo revisions and traveling. It's just been a whole lot going on, and I was sitting back the other day I haven't done a video in a really long time. And I was like, I really need to get back to it. And I know that I'm super busy when hubby's the one doing my sew-alongs. I'm like, babe, I need you to do this sew-along real quick while I go travel. So he's amazing. And so I'm really glad that you guys enjoy him doing the sew-alongs, because it really does help me a whole lot when I'm able to sort of hand that off to him. And he's so good at it. So, but anyway, today, I wanted to do a fabric haul because I have all this really amazing fabric from Melanated Fabrics, of course, and I'm so excited to show you guys because I have a list of things that I plan to make with them. So I thought, you know what, let me share some of these, you know? So I'm gonna first start with these French terries that I am literally obsessed with because we have them in such beautiful colors. So here today I only have 2 colorways to show you because that's all I have here at home. But in the store we have it, I think 4, maybe 5 colorways. I know that we have a pink, we have a purple. There's one other color which I can't think of. And then we have this orange clay color and then a dark teal, which I am actually about to show you. So this is the French terry in the clay color, and it's so yummy. It has great weight. Let me show you the inside, the terry side. It has really great weight. You can see the terry on the inside, and it's not super heavy, so you could wear it all year round, but it does have enough weight that it will keep its shape. Perfect for sweatshirts, hoodies, that kind of vibe, which is totally what I plan to use it for. So what I really love about them is that the 4 colorways that we did get, we also got matching rib fabric. So here's the rib knit. I love it because it's really hard sometimes to find, if you want to make a hoodie or something, or a tracksuit, it's sometimes hard to find the French terry or your sweatshirt fleece and the exact matching color rib. So this just was amazing. So we went ahead and got, I think it's 4 or 5 colorways, I don't remember. So here's the terry and then the matching rib. And I was thinking, I had 2 patterns that came out, I think maybe not last fall, I think it was the fall before that. And Norris had a men's tracksuit. It's really unisex, a unisex tracksuit with a front zip and the snaps on the side of the jogger pant, which, I mean, it just is so fire. And that's Simplicity 9458. So I was thinking that I wanted to make a version of that for myself. So this would be perfect, literally perfect for the tracksuit, and then use the rib knit for a little tank, and then also for my cuffs and the waistband, I thought would be just really great. Then I was also thinking that that same issue, I believe, or the issue before that, when he released the trench coat, I did a sweatshirt pattern with a rib knit skirt, and that pattern is 9450. Love. This is the best outfit, right? Because it's casual, it's sporty, but you are so cute and put together. And so it's probably one of my favorite patterns because it's something that is really sort of everyday wear for me. And it's perfect because that specific pattern, the skirt is made of a rib knit And the sweatshirt is made from a terry. So I thought, oh, this would be really beautiful if I did that pattern. So I have 2 colorways at home, so I might do both, right? I might do one for me with the skirt and the rib knit and the sweatshirt, and then do Norris's tracksuit in the other colorway. So speaking of the other colorway, let me show you that. So we also have it, like I said, in this beautiful teal. I love it. And then here is the matching rib. So as you can see, it's identical. They're really gorgeous and they feel amazing. The colors are really, really rich and they're really pretty. And so, like I said, I think we also have it in a pink and in a purple, and those are online. So I will link directly to these in the description box below so you can see the other colorways that we have. Now, I also have this really great swimwear athletic fabric. It's a Lycra that we got in 2 colorways. It's this one. Oh my gosh. And then we also have it in the reverse where the background of the other color is the dark teal. And they are, I mean, they're amazing. I love these fabrics. So whether you're making like leggings or you're making swimsuits, these are perfect. And you can line them if you need to. So this, I was thinking that I would make I did like an athleisure jumpsuit workout. I don't know what you call it. It's, let me see, what pattern is it? 9150. Okay. So this pattern is one of my favorites. I love this pattern. I've made it at least 3 times. I've made it all in black. I made it in a leopard print, not a leopard print. I made it in like this, multicolor print that I photographed it in. And so when I saw these come into the store, I was like, yes, I must make that jumpsuit in this fabric. So that's what I'm planning to make with this. And then I was thinking that I could make, probably like line it with one of my power mesh, either probably like a skin tone power mesh just to line the bodice and maybe even up to the knee. So the reason I do that is because I just like for it to like be a little more snatched, you know what I'm saying? So I might line it with a little power mesh on the inside just to the knee, sort of like a built-in Spanx. And then, like I said, here in the bodice. So that's what I'm planning to do with that. Now, we also have some really great gingham fabrics in a bunch of colors. There's like 6 colors in the store, and I'll link to all of them below. I have this, actually you might have seen, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me wear this purple and white dress in the gingham. I also have some black and white here at home that I really love. And then we also have this orange and white. I brought some of this home. Hubby made a shirt from this one. We also have it in blue, we have it in purple, we have it in pink. And they're gorgeous. And I love the size. It's not the tiny, tiny, tiny gingham. So as you can see, it's the nice size square. These make great pants, dresses, button-up shirts, like kids' clothes, like everything. You can make a bag, you can make a hat, you can make anything. It's cotton. And it's just really beautiful. So we have a bunch of different colors in that. Again, linked below. And then I apparently seem to be in like this teal orange phase, if you can't already tell. Because I also brought home our Bizette linen. So this fabric is literally divine, okay? It flows beautifully. It's like having a linen shirt that you have washed and worn a bajillion times, so it gets soft and it feels worn and cozy. That's what this fabric feels like, brand new, without having to do all that. So again, a teal. So it flows really beautiful. It's lightweight. It's perfect for dresses, skirts, flowing pants, like a really lightweight button-up shirt. Like there's so many uses for that. But I was thinking of making like one of these flowy pants. I'm going to show you what pattern it is. So this New Simplicity 9608, love the pant. It's just so cute. It has the snaps on the side. So I was thinking of doing something like that with this fabric, and then maybe using This, which is the other fabric I wanted to show you guys, this we have in the store in 2 colorways. It's a pink purple colorway. I made some pants out of it. You can see them here. I love it. They were like perfect for these pants. The weight is great. They're not super heavy, but it does have a little more of a bottom weight. And then we have this colorway, which I am also obsessed with, so I brought some home. And for this, I was thinking of doing my jumpsuit, which $92.34, this jumpsuit. Okay, love this jumpsuit. I've only made it that one time that I made it to photograph. No, that's a lie. I made it twice. So I made it in the blue to photograph, and then I made it in a white corduroy, I think, for the sew along. So I was thinking that I don't have it in a print, and how cute would that be in this? So that's what I think I'm gonna make with this. And that should keep me busy for a little bit. Anyway, so this is what I plan to do. All of these fabrics, like I said, are linked in the description box below. We always appreciate your business. It does really help us so very much to continue to provide amazing fabrics. If you are local to Atlanta, we do have a fabric store in Atlanta, in Reynoldstown, not too far off one of the entrances to the Beltline. And you can come in and shop all of our fabrics in person. You can also take our classes in the Creative Center on the first floor. So if you're local, the address is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again really soon. Peace.